Hello, welcome back. We are going to learn about purchase history conditions in detail with examples in this video. So only if that particular condition is matched, then the points or rewards can be gained by the customer. Alright, I'm going to take you through those different purchase history based conditions that are available. For that, let's start by creating a campaign. Let's go to the campaigns tab and select reward based on spending for today. This is just a sample. Now I'm going to click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you'll be taken to this configuration page. Let me just take you through the different conditions that are available under purchase history. So if you want to add purchase history conditions, then you might have to select or click the add condition button. Okay. So under purchase history, there is a separate section for purchase history. So you can just see these are some of the different purchase history conditions you can set, like first order, last order amount, number of orders made with following quantities, number of quantities made with following products, total spent. So these are some of the conditions you can add. Let me take you to the first one, which is first order. So in case you want customers to be benefited by this campaign you're going to create, which will be applicable only for first order users, which means if they make their first order, then you can set this condition to yes. On setting this condition to yes, you'll be able to see that whatever campaign you create here will apply only if the customer has his first order placed. Nice. Only if it's the first order. Yeah, that's how it is. And then the next condition. The next condition is last order. Similarly, just like the first order, last order also works. And you can also see or set a specific condition, like only if the last order amount is this much, you can just make the customers be benefited from this particular campaign. So last order amount, let's say in the previous orders, customers need to have at least more than $500, and then their order should be completed. Only in that case they might be able to be benefited from this campaign. So in those cases you can add this last order amount. So if I set a campaign here, the system checks for the previous orders, and if those amount matches to 500 in total, and if it's in completed status, only then this particular campaign will be available for the users. Okay, let's go back and create another condition, which is number of orders made. So if you select that, you can see all time. You can also select purchase before the particular period or the range that you're trying to select. So if you want to have customers placing orders in 10 months, they have greater than 5 orders, then you can also purchase, but I'm going to leave it for all time, and then greater than or equal to 10. So the system checks for the number of orders made by the customers previously until now. So if the customer has completed, or whatever status we select here, completed, then 10 orders in the past, then they will be able to gain this reward or be benefited by this campaign. This is how it works. Let's just go to the next thing. Add conditions. You can also add multiple conditions if you want. This is just for our reference. Alright, so if you want a specific product or specific products to be in the orders in the past ordered by the customer, then you can select this one, number of orders made with the following products. So you can select those products here. Let me just show you. Let's say customers should have bought art A and art B in the previous orders, then they'll be able to be benefited by this campaign. Alright, you can also choose the purchase before. Be specific about the time period, and then you can set greater than purchase count. You can also mention the quantity here. I have put it to 1. So at least one time customers in the past should have bought these 2 products. Okay, and the order status. So if you select completed, then it checks for the completed order with these particular products, but if you set cancel the processing, it still does the same. Checks for orders that are processing with these particular products. Right. Similarly, you can select the rest of the purchase history conditions, and only if those conditions match, the particular campaign would work for customers. Thank you so much for watching.